Welcome back everyone to the sensitivity analysis full course in Excel. In this video, we'll be discussing about the very important topics in this course, which is the one variable data table and the two variable data table. Both of them are very important in sensitivity analysis for business and probabilistic problems. So at first, we will discuss about the one variable data table. Here we have a simulation for a product development and their cost you can see here, and the cumulative cost, and this is the final cost which is simulated. Or you can also have a business outcome, any variable cost or something else, and you need to see it for different scenarios. Like I want to see it for up to 10 scenarios, since it is a continuously changing uh, value cost. The value of the is the cost here. So I have to see in 10 different scenarios. So what I can do, just reference this final calculation of mine. You can do it for your final calculation of your particular business scenario calculations, and then I have to select the whole range of the 10 scenarios. For simplicity, I am using only 10 scenarios. You can do it up to 100 or 1000 or even 10,000 maybe in Excel. You just need to create the structure like this, 1 to 100 or even 1000, and then follow the same instructions that I am giving. Then after selecting this whole range, you just need to go to the data tab. From the data tab, click on what if analysis and data tables. From the data tables, select on column input and click on any empty cells and click OK. This will generate all the values in different scenarios. We can see in scenario 1 this is 50 million. In scenario 2 it is 41.5 million. In scenario 10 it is 38.5 million. So this is how you can do the one variable data table and see up to 10 to 1000 or even 10,000 scenarios for your particular business variable. Next we will be discussing about the two variable data table. So in order to make a two variable data table, you need to have a structure like this. I will give a short introduction of it. Here I have a case for a transportation problem. A transportation vehicle is rented, and its a base cost is for now is given $1,765, and its a per mileage rate is $9, and different customers urge for different mileage trips. So we have calculated the revenue here by multiplying the miles with the mileage rate and added the base rate. Here you can see the formula here, and I have created these different scenarios for which I want to see. You can see in the horizontal section I have given the base rate from 700 all the way to $2,000, and for the mileage rate I have given it from 8 to $30, and I have also given the reference. You can see the minimum revenue here which I want to see for these different scenarios. Since here are two variables, that is why it is called the two variable data table, and this is mostly the most useful tool for having a two variable sensitivity analysis, and it is a very uh, efficient in business scenario analysis and sensitivity analysis. And the data analysts always use this method. I also use this thing to do sensitivity analysis for my clients. This is an actual work of my client. So I need to fill up this all these cells with my corresponding base rates and mileage rates. So how can I do it? At first you need to select the whole thing. This is not the efficient way. We will just click on Control Shift right arrow and then down arrow, this will select the whole range, and again we'll go to the data tab. From the data tab we'll select the what if analysis and data table. The data table, now we need to give inputs to our cells. In the raw, since row, sorry, it is the base rate, so we'll have to give reference to the base rate. And into the column we have given the mileage rate, which is the vertical section, so you have to give the mileage rate here, the reference, which is F2, and we need to click OK. And this will fill up all the cells. You can see here, if I zoom out, it has fill up all the cells with the corresponding minimum revenue for each section. If the let me explain one for you. If the base rate is 1100, then and the mileage rate is $12, then the revenue, minimum revenue is $1280. And this when this data table gets a little bit larger, finding out the critical values is more difficult. That's why you need to do conditional format, just like this. You can see I have a conditional custom formatted this the table, so that I can easily see critical values and make decisions. In the next video I'll show you how to customize your conditional formatting in order to see the critical values of the business and make your business decisions. So see you in the next video. Before going to the next video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.